confession. A, adoration. R, rosary. E, Eucharist. If we want to be in constant relationship with Jesus, a union without interruption, handle our relationship with Jesus with care. Because we're all fragile. Let us be careful. Handle our relationship with the Lord with care. Confession. Confession does not demand us or does not necessarily mean that we have to be in the state of mortal sin before going to confession. Confession, just like the Eucharist, is a sacrament. That when we approach the sacrament, we receive grace. Whenever we go to confession, grace is waiting for us. What kind of grace? Sanctifying grace. We all know it's difficult to be holy. We need sanctifying grace. It is coming from the Lord that helps us to be holy. So, saints, in their practice, they will go to confession monthly, even weekly, so that they will have more sanctifying grace to respond to the invitation of the Lord to be holy.